We are back at the air conditioner heaven for 2026. Here is the Arcaware. Copeland scroll. Has been running. This thingamajig has not been running. I'll come back later. GE motor. And someone did a crappy job changing the fan motor on the Arcaware and that thingamajig. Come on. Here's the Goodman. This one was freezing up last year and had the fan spinning backwards, and it's doing that again. This one's next. Freezing up. It was freezing up last year and it's back. Look at Lennox. It's not good. Well, it's official. The old Lennox Elite has been replaced. Here's a brand new Lennox Elite. Let's replace the 1989 Lennox. Has not been running. July 2014, 1.5 ton. And I don't think it has an LG. And here's the Goodman. Let's start in there. Not been running. I'm actually surprised that this has not been running. Copeland reset. Like, this thing is usually always on. This is kind of like a 3-blade version of mine. Just like my Lennox. Here's the Lux Air. We all know and love this one. Has not been running. 2018 2-ton. Has a Bristol. Or maybe it has. Thermal's still here. And here's the Weather King. I think it has been on. I wonder if this one... I don't think this one's been fixed. I don't think that's been on. And the Maritherm is also gone. Here's a brand new Rheems, I think. Coleman's still here. It has been on. And it's already placed the 2020 Maritherm. It only lasted 6 goddamn years. Fortune's here. This is a, let me check. 2026. This is my first 2026 here. That is a 2-ton. This just looks so weird. It's just a tall and a short one. This looks so freaking weird. Why? And it looks like this corroder here finally got replaced. Here's another Rheem. This looks identical to the other one. I just filmed. It's my baby brother over there again. 2026 2-ton. This replaced a 2006 Goodman unit that was always corroding. I have the logo off of it. US motor. It has not been running though. And now over here. Goodman's still here. The old Janitrol is not. Here's a brand new Rheem. Sounds nice. Let's see. Working good. Subcooling. 2026 2-ton. All of them are 2 tons. I think the old one was 2.5 ton. Here's this baby beast Goodman that has been running. Here's this beast. That's what it looks like. I don't have my tripod on me, but I really want to try getting a start with this. 2004 2-ton. Yep, I'm gonna take a picture of this. No more janitrol. And now one of this. Cute. Time to head back. Sucks. The old janitrol, the oldest ones are replaced. This one didn't come on. Wouldn't expect it to because it has not been running. Don't want to jinx it. Say 14.3 here. Yeah, it is. Rheem. Okay, now just trying to see what compressor it has. Oh, that must have been freezing up. There's water on the bottom. Copeland squirrel. Or maybe that was an Emerson squirrel. I don't know. Just didn't check. Copeland turned on. It's a startup. This one's still running frozen. Oh, the Weather King just turned on. Nice, got startup. That'll make my day. The baby Weather King. This thing is 21 years old now. 2010, 2-ton. This one still has a bad run cap. It's had that since last year. And this Rheem looks terrible. And this Coleman looks good. Weather King just turned on. Lux Air. Have a Lux Air tag, but I'm just gonna I'll put the logo back on. Not taking this. I already have a Lux Air tag at my house, which I got a year ago. Still hasn't turned on. That one turned off. Nope, but then nothing with these. Someday soon I might try for a startup with one of these. Still running frozen. This one might be next. Like honestly, I think this one might be next. Nothing over here. I think I will try for a startup of these Arcaware. Arky. This thing is 19 years old now. A little in my closet. This would be a good angle for like a startup. If it did right now, I'd be so happy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.